In the Mediterranean temperature, there's many interesting animals such as Barbaria macaque. The Barbaria macaque, or its scientific name, Macaca sylvanus, it lives in the Mediterranean forest. They're small, tailless, and have dark faces, and they eat leaves, invertebrates, fruits, sprouts, and roots around the forest. Next one is the Barbaria leopard. The Barbaria leopard, or scientific name, is Panthera pardus panthera, lives in the Atlas Mountain region of northern Africa. The Barbarian leopards have spots all over their body and a shade of orange, and it prefers to eat Barbarian macaque, but it also hunts antelope and other small prey. Next is the Muffin, scientific name Ovis aries. The muffin lives in the mountain terrain. It has a red-brown color with dark areas along its back, and it also has a horn and a bit of a white eye. Being a herbivore, it grazes on short grasses, heathers, and shrubs. Next is the Iberian lynx, or scientific name Lynx pardinus. It lives in the Mediterranean forest of southern Spain. It has spots all over their body and a black beard of fur around their face, and they mainly eat wild rabbits but other food sources including ducks and fawns.
Lavender. Lavandula is a genus of 47 known species of flowering plants in the mint family Lamiaceae. It is native to the Old World and is found in the Mediterranean. Many members of the genus are cultivated as ornamental plants for garden use and for use as culinary herbs. Daphne. Daphne odora is native to Asia, Europe, and North Africa. They are noted for their scented flowers and often brightly colored berries. Many species are grown in gardens as ornamental plants. The smaller species are often used in rock gardens. All parts of Daphnes are poisonous. Rosemary. Rosemary is an aromatic evergreen shrub with leaves similar to hemlock needles. It is native to the Mediterranean region but is hardy in cool climates. Some, like ARP, can withstand winter temperatures below minus 20 degrees Celsius. It can withstand droughts, and in some parts of the world it is considered an invasive species. And the agave, or Agave americana, is a genus of monocots native to the hot and arid regions of the Americas and the Caribbean, although some species are also native to tropical areas of North America, such as Mexico. It is known for its succulent leaves, typically forming large rosettes of strong fleshy leaves. Many plants may be considered perennial because they require several years to mature and flower. However, most are more accurately described as monocarpic, since each of the rosettes flower only once and then die. Allium, or Allium sativum, is a genus of monocotyledonous flowering plants with hundreds of species, including the cultivated onion, garlic, scallion, shallot, leek, and chive. It occurs in temperate climates of the northern hemisphere and vary in height between 10 to 150 centimeters. The flowers form an umbel at the top of a leafless stalk. The bulbs vary between species, from small, which is around 2 to 3 millimeters in diameter, to large, 8 to 10 centimeters. Some species develop thickened leaf bases rather than forming bulbs as such.
What is Mediterranean temperate? A Mediterranean climate is a specific type of temperate climate characterized by dry summers and mild, wet winters. What is a cartographer? A cartographer is a person who draws a map or who makes the map. What is another name of cartographer? Another name for cartographer is map maker.
A Mediterranean climate or dry summer climate is characterized by dry summers and mild, wet winters. The climate receives its name from the Mediterranean basin where this climate type is most common. Mediterranean climate zones are typically located along the western side the continent between roughly 30 and 45 degrees north and south of the equator. The main cause of the Mediterranean dry summer climate is the subtropical wind, which extends northward during the summer and migrate south during the winter due to increasing north-south temperature differences.